Kuzuzambala, Namaste. Good morning to all respected online viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, and long live our friendship. Welcome to this online yoga and Ayurveda workshop. Embassy of India, Thimphu, Nehru Wangchuk Culture Center, ICCR's Nehru Wangchuk Culture Center. I'm yoga teacher KVSSN Murthy here. So today also I would like to recite the same important Dhanvantari Stotra, very important mantra chanting for the better health. Amruta Sanjeeva Dhanvantari Stotraha Mrityudurat Palayate Stri Rupam Varabhushanam Bharadaram Trailokya Sammohanam Krutva Payati Smayaha Sura Gunan Piyusham Uttamam. Next sloka is Chakra Dhaitya Gunan Sudha Virahitan Sammoda Sattvam Muda Samsitsham Mritasikarairha Maharishta Chiranjivaya. And especially this is all attributions to Lord Sri Vishnu, who also in the form of Lord Dhanvantari, who is a father of Ayurveda. So during this chanting, some positive energy, positive changes will begin inside the body, and it will give longevity also. And now coming to our Ayurveda session. So like in this total month we are seeing gas troubles, then liver, then after that ulcers, then today's exercises on piles. So as we know that out of 100, 85 to 90% people have the same complaint. So some people have internal piles, some people have external piles. This is actually rectus anal disorder. It's also man-made mistake. Because of our own negligence we are suffering. So okay, let's come into the actually practicals like a food session. First of all, avoid smoking. Second, avoid alcohol at least for 3 to 6 months time or till you will be normal. Third important thing is avoid all dry foods and fried foods. Please try to totally avoid. If you really avoid all sections of non-vegetarians, now you will be recovered very soon and very easy. So throughout these 3-4 months, always observe that semi-liquid diets, liquid diets will give you more relaxing while you are going to toilet. Especially if you have bleeding piles or bleeding hemorrhoids, please take doctor's advice also what to do further step, and do not avoid your medical checkups, don't avoid your visiting of the doctor when you have pain. Also remember, if you have bleeding piles, based on the condition, so it is always advised to go for operation or try to use any English medicine. But traditional medicines and Ayurveda will give you definite result, but you have to follow for more days. This is not only for piles, this is also for your regular health, this is also for your wholesome health also. And now coming to our simple and easiest preparation, take 1 glass of water. In a day, mix turmeric at least 7 to 8 grams and properly mix it. In a day, drink this water 3 to 4 glasses. And in this, no need to add honey or no need to add salt, just plain water. Then second important and easiest preparation for the gas troubles as well as for the constipation as well as for the piles is very simple and effective amrut. Amrut means kya? One important medicine, very simple medicine, buttermilk. So take that buttermilk in a glass of water. The same preparation, add haldi, and after that in here you can add very fine powder of jeera or very fine powder or very soft powder of ajwain seeds. This is also important preparation to get rid of the gas troubles, constipation and piles. Then today's our wonder preparation is almost like a over-ripened banana. See the external skin of the banana. Already it has this black spots, but still the internal flesh is very fleshy. So this is always good in the management of cancers as well as in the management of digestive tract disorders also, especially in the piles management. But if you have already diabetes or if you have any phlegm disorders because of this banana, take advice from your traditional doctor. So first of all, take one banana and peel it out. and see here and cut the banana pieces. And this is edible camphor. So this is what we call karpur, but this is green karpur. This is not karpur for like offering fire. This is edible camphor, and mix like powder this one and put it on these bananas. Right. Then this is also very simple and effective preparation. So empty stomach, if you will eat this camphor and banana preparation, that is like in just 1 month you will feel the lots of change, especially rectal anal disorders, piles or fistula or somewhat related to pus related to disorders also. But the way how you are taking, how you are using is more important. In a day, according to your body weight, according to your work, at least 3 to 4 liters drinking water is suggestible to everyone. As well as do not eat fried items, do not eat dry mutton or dry chicken or any dried material. But dry fruits, you can take dry fruits after soaking in the water, but don't fry it. So these are the very simple preparation for today, but tomorrow also we are seeing still more remedies for the same piles complaint. And coming to our yoga workshop, and as we know that every yoga exercise has its own importance. We cannot easily trace out that this posture is important to this people, that posture is important to that, like the people who are doing yoga exercises, based on this limitation, based on their condition, every yoga exercise, every yoga posture will give definite benefit. But especially in the management of piles, do not go for weightlifting, don't go for gym exercises, don't go for running, don't go for jumping or crawling, or don't go for any other formats of exercises. Now try to do only yoga exercises that is specially inverted postures. So today also I would like to give very simple and effective some inverted postures or semi-inverted postures also. But let us come to the sun salutations as our regular workout. Again, take a long, slow, deep inhalation and exhalation. So with the total devotion and long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation, keep your both the palms together at the chest. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasyapi Hitam Mukham Tattvam Pushan Apavruno Satya Dharmaya Drustaye. Om Hram Hrim Hrum Hraim Hraum Raha Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Kagapusna Hiranya Garbha Maricha Aditya Savitra Arka Bhaskaraya Namaha. And very slowly open your both arms forward, wide your both arms, lift your both arms up. This is very simple Hasta Uttan Asana. Completely pull yourself up. From here, if you want, put a back bend, slightly put a back bend at the Chandrasana or at the Chakrasana. Then here keep your both the palms again uplift, then very slowly, carefully bend the body forward without giving any strain on the abdomen and the lower back. And after that, the right leg must be your back leg, a horse riding posture, Asva Sanchalanasana. And back leg straight on the toes. Do not lift your buttocks more, but simply join your forward leg to back leg to the Dandasana. Again, stay for a while or Santulanasana. And completely press the body down towards the floor. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Then very slowly lift the body up. Like today, I would like to give only half cobra lifted posture. Few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there, completely lift the body up as mountain triangular posture. And right leg must be your forward leg, Asva Sanchalanasana. Push your body forward, lift the chin up and stay for a while. And back leg straight, back leg joined to the forward leg, Pada Hastasana. And lift your both the arms up. Then very slowly keep your both the palms up and slightly put a back bend. Then very slowly keep your both the palms together and place them at the chest. Then very slowly lift the arms up and wide the arms and release the posture relaxations enough. Long and slow pause. So here, especially in the yoga exercises, we have like a few exercises called mudras, Ashwini mudra or Mula Bandha. These are some important advanced techniques to give proper health for the rectal intestinal muscles also. But in the online sessions, so it is not advised to give these mudra practices and bandha practices because many of the online viewers are newcomers. So for them I am not giving any advanced exercises, but I am giving very simple practices, simple postures which in the advanced way of doing. Okay, coming to the next exercise, only Parvatasana or mountain triangular posture. So I am requesting my video technician to come on my right side. So this is also very simple and effective exercise. First, try to sit properly and long slow pause, inhalation and exhalation. So whatever you are doing yoga exercises, try to lock your anal region. That's what we call Ashwini mudra. So while you are in the office or while you are in the home or while you are any kind of work, concentration at your anal region and try to lock it properly. It's called anal mudra or Ashwini mudra. Okay. Now coming to next exercise, and hands on the floor. Try to keep your body up. Then few seconds stay here in this posture. Slightly keep your legs wide. And concentration on the anal region and try to lock it properly like a horse called Ashwini mudra. Then few seconds stay without holding the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and enough. Then keep your both the knees together and down. After that, keep your both the fists closed, put them on one another. Try to place your forehead or chin on the fist here also. Try to maintain a small sliding here, slant here and lock your anal region. Few seconds stay here. And take deep slow inhalation and exhalation. Alright, then very slowly come back. Long pause. Again take a long, deep, slow inhalation. Like in the same mountain posture, mountain triangle Parvatasana, leg lifts also, Uttana Pada Parvatasana. So that is also very important technique, but if you have any issues, any giddiness issues or high blood pressure issues, avoid forward bends. Or if you want rest for your above leg, you can put your above leg on the wall or any convenient heights. Okay, now coming to the same exercise, come to the same Parvatasana or mountain posture. So here, keep your right leg up, then few seconds stay here, or you can slightly turn your leg, few seconds stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then very slowly come back, release and relaxation. Again coming to Ashwini mudra, and this is Ashwini mudra asana, a kind of Shashankasana variation. And few seconds rest, long and deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. And again, very slowly come back. Take again long, slow pause, inhalation and exhalation. Similar exercise, opposite side. Like again, try to put your hands on the floor, lift the body up. Then same thing, alternate leg up. Then slightly turn and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then very slowly come back, release and relaxation. Again, after finishing this posture, again just go to your Ashwini mudra asana for relax your neck and head and the above back, especially contract your anal muscles inside and try to hold it properly. It's a kind of exercise we can see while horses are doing this repeated mudra, so that it is called Ashwini mudra. Ashwini is here Ashwini means like one kind of horse position. Okay, long and slow deep inhalation, exhalation. Our next exercise belongs to locust posture, Shalabhasana. That is also one way good to give proper balance at the anal region and the buttocks region. Now keep your body straight and on the abdomen, sleep properly. Then after that, wide your both the legs and few seconds rest. Long, slow, deep inhalation and exhalation. Then after that, keep your both the legs together and hands together and try to put your both the palms at your thighs on the floor or in between your thighs on the floor. Okay, now here try to lift your one leg up at any degree angle or maximum level up. And few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 relaxations enough. And quick relaxation time, long deep inhalation and exhalation. Then same thing, change the leg, put your hands under the thighs or at the thighs. Then alternate leg, lift that leg at convenient distance in height or maximum lift up and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then very slowly release and relaxation. Enough, come back. Then keep your both the hands together under your chin or cheek. Wide your both legs. This is called one way of crocodile resting posture, Makarasana. Alright, now very slowly come back. Keep your position straight. Then again come to Ashwini Mudra Asana for lower back relaxation and neck relaxation. Alright, relaxation, come back. So when you are suffering from these piles, especially in the sleeping time, many people are having the same kind of a pain or inconvenience in the anal region while they are sleeping on the back. So at that time, immediately turn on the abdomen, sleep on the abdomen. So try to put your hands under the chin like how I performed just now, Makarasana. So somewhat it will give relaxation at the anal region. Okay, now let's come to the pranayama exercises. Today we are not doing Kapalabhati, as we mentioned that avoid all practices which is giving strain on the abdomen. Kapalabhati or Bhastrika pranayama or remaining other formats of exercises or gym like martial arts or weightlifting or cycling. So everything will somewhat it will disturb the anal functions. In the especially office goers in the offices, while you are sitting on the chair, if you are suffering from these piles, try to see your chair must not be very hard, or you can carry your own like soft pillows to sit on the pillows. Okay, now coming to very simple exercises, pranayam. Today's pranayam will be on Chandra Bhedana pranayam. This is also somewhat cooling to the abdomen, cooling to the body. Then third one is crow breath, Kakaswasa. So today we are seeing these two exercises. And take a long, slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. Sit in any comfortable posture. Alright, long, deep, slow inhalation. So here, open your right hand, close your all fingers, then close your right nostril and inhalation from the left nostril. Then after that, close your left nostril, completely breathe out from the right. Again, same exercise, inhalation from the left and exhalation from the right. Inhalation from the left nostril and breathe out from the right. Fourth count, inhalation from the left and breathe out from the right. Last count, breathe in from the left nostril and very slowly breathe out from the right nostril. Alright, now hands down. long slow inhalation and exhalation. Our next exercise is crow breath, Kakaswasa. But before that, another instruction is, if you have piles, avoid long journeys, long time driving. Then if you have piles, avoid late night sleeps. If you have piles, please remember your constipation should be 0. So that please try to take porridges or liquid diets only. Or if you want to take like rice or remaining things, remember, try to chew well or try to mix it properly or grind it properly like a like paste, like how infants are eating. So in that case, you will not suffer because of the food, unless these piles will repeatedly giving trouble and the bleeding will be the same and the life will be same with the inconvenience. But if you really give 3 months to 6 months time by using the simple Ayurveda methods and yoga methods, in just 6 months you will be alright. But if you have chronic state of these piles, then it's a first suggestion is try to always go for doctor for remaining any allopathic surgeries. Okay, take a long deep inhalation and exhalation. Coming to crow breath. So here, no need to take your tongue out, but completely contract your mouth and just put a small hole at the lips. Inhalation, then exhalation with the nose. Again, inhalation through the mouth. Then very slowly breathe out from the nose. Third count, again completely breathe in from the mouth. Then very slowly breathe out from the nose. Fourth count, same exercise. Then very slowly breathe out from the nose. Last count, inhalation through the mouth. Then very slowly breathe out from the nose. Alright, relaxation. And especially in the piles complaint or fistula, like the anal complaints, avoid bakery items. Please remember, avoid bakery items and cool drinks. Then in the specially toilets, do not apply force through the toilets, because it will again create damage at the rectal tissues. So my request is always be very healthy with using of this yoga, simple and effective yoga remedies and simple and effective Ayurvedic remedies also. So especially in the afternoon, if you have time, take power nap. In the evening, after finishing your houseworks and office works and remaining all other works, give at least 10 minutes to 15 minutes time for doing same exercises, or you can take any of our previous exercises schedules from the Facebook channel. Okay, thanking you all to giving me this opportunity tomorrow. At the same time, we are meeting with a different pattern of food exercises and yoga exercises also. Thanking you all.